Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel again, Intelligent Learners. In this video, we are going to discuss about the partial factoring method to find out the vertex of a parabola. This you know very well that when you get the parabola, whenever you are graphing the quadratic equation, you will get a parabolic graph, right? Now, to get the maximum point or the minimum point of the graph, we have to see what is the vertex of that graph. Okay, vertex, very important point, or the middle point we can say of the parabola, the middle point that we have. It could be maximum point of the graph, it could be the minimum points. So by this method, we are going to discuss the vertex, right? So yeah, let's start with the video, everyone. Find out the vertex of a quadratic equation using partial factoring. Okay, that we have to understand. So please understand what is the vertex. If you will see the parabola, this is the parabola which is going like up, and this is the parabola which is going down. So there are two types of parabola. It is not necessary they can be up, down. They can be both left, right also. So what is the vertex here? Vertex is if I will see this parabola, right, which is going up. So what is the minimum point? The minimum point of this parabola, okay? That is the lowest point of this parabola. That is the vertex. This is the vertex. And if you will see the this parabola which is going down, so what is the highest point of the parabola, right, that we have to see. So this is also the vertex. Now how to find these vertex? By using the partial factoring that we have to understand. It's a very easy process. So let's take with an example. So for that we need a quadratic equation. Please remember what is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is an equation in which you have the highest power of the variable, that is equals to 2. Let's say, suppose I have an equation which is 2x square plus x minus 1, let's say. Okay, this is an equation that we have. So here, this is quadratic because we have the highest power of x is 2. So this is a quadratic. Now, in this case, how to use partial factoring to find out the vertex? It's very simple. What you have to do, you have to take let. You have to understand that you have to let y as the coefficient, the constant that we have. So constant number which is written without a variable, without x. So that is -1. So you have to take y as -1. Okay, you have to let it. So when you take let y is -1, so -1, I put y as -1, that is equals to 2x square plus x minus 1. When you have same number, both sides to equal, so they got cancels out. So you are left with 2x square plus x equals to 0. In the left hand side, you got nothing. So I can take this as like this also. Okay. Now after that, I have to take the HCF. So here this is 2. Here this is nothing than 1. So in 2 and 1, only 1 is left. And out of x square and x, I have to take x common. So what is left inside is 2x plus 1, because here I have 2 and 1 x because 1 I have taken out. Here nothing is left, so 1 is left. So that's that. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to put this equals to 0 and this also equals to 0. So when I put x is equals to 0, so this is x equals to 0. When I put 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, then we can say that x is equals to -1 by 2, because x 1 will go to that side, becomes negative, and 2 is in multiplied, so it goes in division. So x is equals to -half. Now, when I got two values of x, what I have to do? What is the next process? When I got two values of x, so I will do that. I will add both the values. I will add both the values and divide that value by 2. So when I add 0 plus -half, which is -half, and when I divide it by 2, so I got as -1 by 4. Okay, this x I got, right? Now, after that, what I have to do when I got this x, okay, the final x, what I will do, I will put that x in the equation, the general equation that I have. So which is y is equals to 2 of x square. So I will put x, the value, plus then x, which is -1 by 4, -1. Now, when I solve this equation, it gives me 2 times -1 by 4. -1 by 4 is 1 by 16. Then plus minus is minus, -1 by 4 and -1. Now, let's sort out this one. So this gives you 1 by 8, -1 by 4 and 1. Now, you know how to solve this one. So I am solving it here because there is less page. So y is equals to let's make the denominator same. So I multiplied here by 8, here also by 8, here by 2, and here by 2. So now I got 1 by 8 minus 2 by 8 minus 8 by 8. So when I got the denominator same, so 1 minus 2 is -1 and -1 minus 8 is -9. So y I got as -9 by 8. Okay, -9 by 8. After this, what I have to do? Now, y is minus a. So, what is the vertex? So, vertex coordinate is what is x final? X is minus 1 by 4, and what is y? That is minus 9 by 8. So, this is the vertex of the parabola. Now, if you want to know what this parabola look like, that depends upon the value of a. Okay, that depends upon the value of a. So, a is greater than 0. So, the parabola is going like this. Okay, parabola is going like this. So, this is the point which is the lowest point in the parabola. Okay, the vertex is the lowest point because the parabola is going up. So that's the lowest point. Okay, so yeah.